Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to delete a specific link from your browsing history in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your history or remove something you no longer want to see, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account if you want these changes to sync across your devices. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on those three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, hover over the option that says History. A secondary menu will appear. Click on History again from this list. This action will take you to a new tab that displays all of your recent browsing history. Now that you're in the History tab, it's time to find the link you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate it. Once you find the link, check the box next to it. This action selects that specific entry for deletion. After selecting the link, look for the Delete button located at the top right of the History page. Click on this button, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this item from your history. Confirm your choice by clicking Remove or Delete. And that's it. You've successfully removed a link from your browsing history in Google Chrome. Remember, these changes will also sync across any devices where you're logged into Chrome with the same account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.